Bo Buddies. This is Dezzy, and I'm Bo.
Wizard!
Are you ready to go?
And the Stuffy Sniffler.
Where did our pretty flowers go?
I don't know, Dezzy. Bo Buddies, it's Bogo. Great you're here. Someone took most of the flowers from our flower pots.
We grew them ourselves.
Don't worry, Dezzy. We'll find out what happened to our flowers. There's only one person who would know. Wizard! I'll need your help to make Wizard appear. Will you help me? You will? Thanks a bunch. We're going to have to move around a lot to do it, so we need to get in our Bo Zone.
Bo Zone!
Come on, Bo Buddies. Clear some room in front of you where it's safe to move around. Move those toys and things out of the way, then we can get on the go today. Almost done. Now we're ready to make Wizard appear. Stand in the middle of your Bo Zone. Point your finger in the air, like this. Spin it round and round. Keep spinning. Faster, faster, faster. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go. It's working. You're helping me. I can feel your energy. Now the other side. Spin, spin, spin. Wizard's almost here. Maximum Bo power!
Wizard!
Yes! We did it, Bo Buddies! We made Wizard appear.
Hello, Dezzy and Bo. Great geraniums! Someone took your pretty flowers.
How did he know that?
Wizard knows all.
But do you know who took our flowers, Wizard?
Who could it be? Let me see. Aha! I was afraid of this. It's the Stuffy Sniffler.
The Stuffy Sniffler? Who's that?
The Stuffy Sniffler loves to sniff flowers. He sniffs flowers for hours and hours. But the Stuffy Sniffler's big red nose cannot smell a single lily or rose. His poor nose is stuffed up, as you can tell. So he keeps taking flowers, trying to find one he can smell.
You mean the Stuffy Sniffler won't stop taking flowers until his stuffed-up nose can smell one?
I'm afraid so, Bo.
Bo Buddies, imagine a world without beautiful, sweet-smelling flowers. That would be bad.
And it kinda makes me sad.
Me too, Dezzy. There's only one thing to do. We will find that Stuffy Sniffler and save all the flowers in the whole world.
To find the Stuffy Sniffler, you must enter the Chamber of Doors.
The Chamber of Doors.
Find 3 doors, not one more. Behind door number 3, you will find what you seek. Take a peek.
The Stuffy Sniffler.
Find these 3 doors, and you will find the Stuffy Sniffler.
Thank you, Wizard.
You're welcome. Now, you and your bow buddies better get on the go.
We need to find 3 doors. To make the first door come, we have to run on the spot. Are you in your bow zone? Good. When I count to 3, run with me. 1, 2, 3, run! The chamber of doors. Come on, bow buddies. Run fast or run slow. But help me go, go, go. You can even march or walk. But please don't stop. Uh-oh, I'm getting low on energy. Run with me, bow buddies. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go. Everyone run! That door's gonna come! Maximum bow power! Run, bow bugs!
The door!
We did it, bow buddies! We made the first door come.
Look! A fox!
Let's see what's inside. Locked. We need a key. A flying key. Do you know how to catch a flying key? Will you help me? Super Bo-Duper! Stand very tall. Tall as a giraffe. On your tippy toes. Stretch! Stretch with me to catch a key. As tall as you can. Reach out your hands. And jump. Caught a key. Good work, bow buds. Through the fox door we go.
Come on!
Wow! Look at all the pretty flowers.
They smell nice.
Looks like the Stuffy Sniffler hasn't been here yet.
Or all the flowers would be gone.
Right, Dezzy? Do you see our next door anywhere?
Look! There it is.
Come on, bow buddies. This'll be easy bow breezy.
Whoa! A fox!
This must be his flower shop. Why won't he let us through?
Welcome to the fox's flower shop. The fox has heard the Stuffy Sniffler is near. He's protecting his flowers so they don't disappear. He's not sure what the Sniffler looks like, and so he won't let anyone in his shop he doesn't know. To get past the fox and stay on the go, you'll have to sneak past him, quiet and low.
Sneak past the fox quiet and low? That's a funny way to stay on the go.
To sneak past the fox quiet and low, you'd better choose an Animove.
Animoves!
Bow buddies, can you help me choose an animove? Which animal should we move like to sneak past the fox quiet and low? A stomping elephant? A clapping seal? A creeping cat?
A creeping cat! Good choice!
Okay, bow buddies, to sneak quiet and low past the fox, we have to creep, creep, creep like a quiet kitty.
Watch me creep.
Great cat creeping, Dezzy. Let's all be creeping cats, too. Are you still in your bow zone? Great! When I count to 3, creep with me. 1, 2, 3, creep! Come on, Bow Buds! Get down on your hands and feet and creep with me. To get past that box and reach our door, take gentle, sneaky steps down on the floor. Creep carefully, Dezzy. Let's creep together. Make yourself as light as can be, like little sneaky cats. Creep with me. Uh-oh! I need more energy. Creep with me, Bow Buddies. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go. Little kitties, creep with me. Yes! You're really helping me. I can feel your energy. Maximum bow power! Creep, creep, creep. Just a little more. We've almost made it to our door. We did it, Bow Buddies! We creeped past the fox in his flower shop. We made it through thanks to you. Bow boogie time! You boogie too! Let's see what kind of boogie you can do. Come on, Bow Buddies! Boogie with me! A doozy boogie, Bow Buds. The second door.
A hummingbird.
A really big and heavy-looking hummingbird. That'll be something to see. Locked. We need another flying key. Will you help me again? Bow go great! Stand very tall. Tall as a tree. Tippy-toes tall. Stretch! Stretch with me to catch a key. As tall as you can. Reach out your hands. And jump! Yes! Got it! Thanks, Bow Buds. The hummingbird door we go.
Let's go. Oh, pretty garden.
But look, some of these flowers have been picked. I bet the Stuffy Sniffler did it.
Yeah.
Oh, buddies, we have to get to our last door so we can save all the flowers in the world. Do you see the door?
Look, there it is.
Come on. Gotta stay on the go.
Hey, hummingbirds.
The biggest, heaviest looking hummingbirds I've ever seen. Why won't these bulging birds let us pass?
Welcome to the garden of the heavy hummingbirds. These hummingbirds have been drinking lots of nectar today before the Stuffy Sniffler can take the rest of their flowers away. They've drunk so much they're too heavy to fly. So they need your help to get back to their nest way up high. Use those magic flower petals to help you reach the sky.
Help the heavy hummingbirds get way up there to their nest? How will we ever do that?
To help the hummingbirds get up to their nest, you'd better choose an Animove.
Animoves.
Bow Buddies, can you help me choose an Animove? Which animal should be moved like to use the magic flower petals and fly high. A flapping bat? A crawling critter? A digging gopher?
A flapping bat. I like that.
To help the heavy hummingbirds get up to their nest, we have to flap, flap, flap like a bat.
Look at me.
Dezzy's happening with his bat flapping. Let's all be flapping bats too. Still in your bow zone? Yay! When I count to 3, flap with me. 1, 2, 3, flap! Flap your arms. Spread your bat wings wide. Flap them up and down so we can fly to the sky. Flap like a bat. Yes! Whoa! Careful, Dezzy. Come on, Bo Buds. Flap your arms. That works best. Let's get these hummingbirds up to their nest. Let's see you flap too. Phew! All this flapping makes me feel like napping. Uh-oh! Low energy. Flap with me, Bo Buddies. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go. Keep flapping. Yes! You're really helping me. I can feel your energy. Maximum bow power! Just a few more flaps. Yes! We did it, Bo Buddies! We helped the heavy hummingbirds back to their nest. Good work! We made it through thanks to you! Bo Boogie time! You boogie too! Let's see what kind of boogie you can do! Boogie, Bo Buddies! Boogie! Beautiful boogie, Bo Buds! Whoa! What a super sneeze! Look! A super-sized hanky to blow a super-sized nose. You should hang on to that, Dezzy. You never know. We might just need it on the go. The third door!
Look! The Stuffy Sniffler.
It's not locked. Come on, Bo Buddies. Time to stop that Stuffy Sniffler from taking all the flowers in the whole world. Whoa! Bo Buddies, look at all the flowers. Can you guess who lives here?
Look!
The Stuffy Sniffler. Poor little guy. He must be really stuffed up if he can't smell all these flowers. If only we could help unstuff his nose. Then he'd be able to smell the flowers he has and not take everyone else's.
This!
No thanks, Dezzy. I don't need to blow my nose. But the Stuffy Sniffler sure looks like he does. And a super-sized nose, I suppose, could really use a super-sized hanky. Desidor Dragon, you're both brilliant. Give it a go. Watch this, Bo Buds.
Whoa! Big blow!
Look, Bo Buddies. The Stuffy Sniffler's nose is shrinking. He can smell all the flowers he has now.
he won't have to take everyone else's.
And the Stuffy Sniffler sniffed happily ever after. Well, Dezzy, they took a while to grow, but we have flowers in our flower pots again.
Oh, they smell pretty.
We really got on the go today, Bo Buddies. We saved all the flowers in the whole world. Thanks to you. Are you still in your bow zone? Let's do one more bow boogie. The bow boogiest boogie of them all. We made it through, thanks to you. Bow boogie time, you boogie too. Let's see what kind of boogie you can do.